Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about one question paper from MMD Chipmate Phase 1 Navigation paper which came in the month of July 2023. The question is, in North Latitude, a star is observed to be on prime vertical 4 hours 10 minutes after passing the observer's meridian. 2 hours 32 minutes later, it says, find the observer's latitude. First, in order to solve this question, let's draw one rational horizon diagram. Mark here east, west, north, south, and also draw one equinoctial WQE. And also I have drawn one declination circle of the star which is pink color. Now a star is observed to be on prime vertical. Prime vertical is this one. This line is prime vertical which passes through the observer's east and west point. 4 hours 10 minutes after passing through the observer's meridian, it is on the prime vertical. The question says, this is the PZQN. PZQN is the observer's meridian, and this star is coming from here like this, like this, like this. And after passing from here, after passing the observer's meridian, 4 hours 10 minutes after passing from this point, this star is here. That is on the observer's prime vertical. And 2 hours 32 minutes later, it says the star is here. Up. So the question is, find the observer's latitude. We know that the star travels at the rate of 15 degree 2.5 per hour. So in 4 hours 10 minutes, there is 4 hours 10 minutes, star will travel 15 degree 2.5 into 4.166. There is 62 degree 40.4. There is this angle P1. In 4 hours 10 minutes, star will travel this much. And then 2 hours 32 minutes. 2 hours 32 minutes. Star will travel, there is 15 degree 2.5 into 2.533, there is 30 degree 06.3 minute. So in 2 hours the star will travel this much, that is from here to here. So P2 Papa 2, there is this green angle. P2 is P1, this angle plus this angle. So P2 is P1, there is, we have already calculated here, P1 is this one, 62 degree 40.4 minute plus this angle, there is duration for 2 hours 32 minutes. There is P1 plus 30 degree 06.3, it comes P2 is equal to 100 degree 46.7. This angle we got is 100 degree 46.7. So now we'll apply Napier's rule in this PZX triangle. PZX triangle, angle Z is 90 degree here. Angle, so I have written ZX here. There is next to the angle Z, ZX here, then PZ here, this PZ here, then 90 minus P1, 90 minus P1, 90 minus px, 90 minus px, and 90 minus x, 90 minus x. Then applying Napier's rule, sine of 90 minus p1, sine of 90 minus p1 is equal to 10 of pz, 10 of pz into 10 of 90 minus px. So sine of 90 minus p1 is equal to 10 of pz into 10 of 90 minus px. Sine of this angle is equal to 10 of this into 10 of this. So sine 90 degree minus P1 we have calculated here, 62 degree 40.4 is equal to 10 of Pz into 10 of 90 minus Px. So 10 of 90 minus PS goes this side, and then sine 90 minus 62 degree 40.4 is sine 27 degree 19.6 divided by 10 of PZ. This I make as equation number 1. Now coming to the triangle PZX dash. PZX dash, this triangle, blue one. ZX is equal to 90 degree. This side is 90 degree. In triangle PZX dash, Z is angle Z is here. I have written here angle X here. So 90 degree minus PX, 90 degree minus PX, P2 minus 90. P2 minus 90. Whenever the side is 90 degree, always remember to write P2 minus 90 degree to the angle opposite to the greatest side. This side is 90 degree, so angle opposite to this side is P2. So P2 minus 90 degree. Always remember this, don't write 90 minus P2 because it will give a different value. Then 90 minus PZ. So sine of P2 minus 90 is equal to 10 of 90 minus PZ into 10 of 90 minus PX. So here I have written sine of P2 minus 90 is equal to 10 of 90 minus PZ into 10 of 90 minus PX. So sine P2 value is 100 degree 46.7 minus 90 is equal to 10 of 90 minus PZ into 10 90 minus PX. 10 90 minus PX, this one comes here on the left hand side. That is the remaining one, sine 100 degree 46.7 minus 90, we got sine 10 degree 46.7 divided by 10 90 minus PZ on the right hand side. This is equation number 2. We will equate both equations 1 and 2 because we don't have all other information required to find out the observer's latitude. So equating both equation number 1 and 2, there is this sine 27 degree 19.6 divided by 10 PZ, this comes here, and there is this equation of number 2, sine 10 degree 46.7 divided by 10 90 minus PZ comes here. Then we do the cross multiplication, this comes here and then this goes here. So sine 27 degree 19.6 divided by sine 10 degree 46.7 is equal to 10 of PZ divided by 10 90 minus PZ. So 10 of PZ we can also write as 90 degree minus lat. PZ can also be written as 90 degree minus lat. So 10 of 90 minus lat divided by 10 of 90 minus PZ can also be written as lat. 90 minus PZ is lat. So 10 of lat. So here 10 90 minus lat can also be written as cot of lat divided by 10 of lat. And sine 27 degree 19.6 divided by sine 10 degree 46.7 is equal to 1 by 10 square of lat. This cot can also be written as is equal to 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 into 10 lat. So 10 into 10 10 square lat. This how we got here. So this comes on the left side, and then this goes up, this goes down. 10 square of lat is equal to sine 10 degree 46.7 divided by sine 27 degree 19.6. If you simplify this, we got latitude as 32 degree 32.9 north. From here, I have written one step below which can also be solved like this. The answer is same, it's just see how whichever way you find it more easy or convenient to you. From this equation, sine 27 degree 19.6 divided by sine 10 degree 46.7 is equal to 10 pz divided by 1090 minus pz. 10 pz written as 10 pz, so 1090 minus pz can be written as cot of pz. So cot also can be written as 10 divided by 1 by cot. So it goes on top, then 10 square pz. 10 square pz is equal to sine 27 degree 19.6 divided by sine 10 degree 46.7. 10 square pz is equal to sine 27 degree 19.6 divided by sine 10 degree 46.7. This value, you when you simplify this, you got this one. Then in order to remove this square, you underroot this one, and then whatever remaining value, 10 inverse of that value, you get pz as 57 degree 27.1. That is 90 degree minus pz is latitude. That is 90 degree, this is pole to equinoxium is 90 degree, and 90 minus pz. 90 minus pz is, that is ZQ. This is the latitude. So latitude, that is 90 minus pz is going to lat is equal to 32 degree 32.9. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have understood this sum.